Hi everyone, this is April and welcome to my channel. So gumawa lang ako ng mini video para sa first set ng practice ng dance na sasalihan ko. Share ko lang para dito na mag-copy yung mga kasamahan ko. First time ko rin gumawa ng dance practice in my entire life. Share natin para naman marami tayong magkamali. Okay, let's practice from the beginning. Ito yung audience, nakaharap ka ganyan. Tapos, hawak ka sa palda. Tapos, dito ka harap. Ito yung audience, yan na harap. So, first is right. And then, next is left. And then, twist. And then, naka-step forward na ito, di ba? Kasi, from here, naka-twist ka. And then, yung left foot mo naman ang step mo. One, and then right foot, paharap, and then ganon, and then baba. Tapos, step mo naman, one, pa-cross yung paa, pa-cross. One, and two, and one, and two, and. Tapos yung mga pag ganito. One, and two, and one, and two. And, tapos, single. Step mo, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2. Sa kamay naman, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Ganon. Then, after nun, is step forward. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Ganon. Balik. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Pero yung kamay, ganito. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Tapos, ganito. Step. Step mo yung paa mo. Step, cha-cha-cha is. Then, step, cha-cha-cha. And then, turn. Turn ka dito sa left mo pa turn. Yung kamay mo, kaganito yung paa. Cha-cha-cha. Turn. Yung kamay na. Ganon. Kamay, ikot. Tapos, ikot ulit. Isa pa. Tapos, saka ulit yung after ikot na to ha, 2 beses, yung balik ulit sa 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and tapos single 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Okay, sa ikot tayo. Ikot. So, ikot, up, and then ikot ulit, and then 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1, 2, and 1 and 2. Saka ulit yung 1 and 2, and 3 and 4, and 1, 2, and cha-cha-cha, and 1 and 2, cha-cha-cha. Ikot 1 and 2. 2 beses. Tapos, ikot ulit 1 and 2. Tapos, dito, ganito na yung gawin. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. Bali yung paa, ganito. Wala nang kamay. 1 and 2. Hawak na sa palda. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So, dalawa yan. Tapos, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Tapos balik ulit. 1, 2, 3, 4, and step, cha-cha-cha, step, cha-cha-cha, ikot, ikot, check, and then ikot ulit, and then another hawak sa palda, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and single 1, 2, and 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and step, cha-cha-cha, step, cha-cha-cha, turn, up, and then turn, yeah, and then again, 1 and 2, and 1 and 2, and 1, 2, 1, 2, and then, yun na yung next gihangak ko with music. One, two. One and two, and one and one and 1, 2, 3, and step 1, 2, 3, step 1, 2, 3, turn. Tapos, lakad na, ikot na to. Tutol na to dito ng music. Dito rin paikot-ikot tayo. So, yan na yung paikot. Tapos, exit na. Kaya mag-change siya ng hat.